I'm glad to be here for the anniversary of Freedom Holidays, and I'm so happy to see this company, which began about 30 years back, uh, not only as a fledgling company, and I've known um, Martin for I think as good as 30 years, and seen his journey going up. And it's not easy to maintain a company even for 5 years. But to have seen this journey cross its silver anniversary and marching on to 30, I would congratulate Martin, because think of it, he has come from God's own kingdom in Kerala into our beautiful Goa. This type of an industry has suffered a lot because of varying international issues, the pandemic, and the pressures and pulls which come from various quarters. Only they will know when they handle it. But still to have emerged successful and to fly the flag, and despite the, uh, the personal problems which Martin himself has faced, to weather it with a smile, I say congratulations to his team, to everyone in Freedom Holidays, and I wish them happy years ahead. May these 30 years turn to 50, and may I also pray to the Almighty that I am there when you complete 50.
Well, freedom means total freedom. There is no fear, it's total freedom. Our punchline is freedom to travel and relax. That is Goa. That is why the name Freedom was chosen. And also, freedom was born on 15th August, where the Independence Day of India. 15th August. So when we started on 15th August, that is an auspicious day I started. And also the feast of Our Lady. I'm a Catholic, so that was the actually the start on 15th of August. Well, we started in a very humble way. I started Freedom Holidays in a briefcase. I didn't have money. I had the brains, and I had the enthusiasm and the passion for travel, tourism, and aviation. I wanted to have my own company. I was dreaming about it when I was very young in fifth grade, that I want to have my own company, have a lot of people. I was determined, and I said I'm not going to work for anybody. I am going to work only for myself. So that's how the freedom started, in a briefcase in Mason's Communication opposite Delman Hotel 30 years ago. So I sat there, then I moved into a small place, then a bigger place. So it was a long journey, and I went through lots of ups and downs, businesses, but we never cracked under pressure or anything. We held together, especially my staff. Of course, my God was there always with me, all the time. I believe in all the gods, whether I believe in all the religions, Hindu, Christian, Muslim. I go to the churches, temples, mosques. For me, there is only one God, and we go through different channels. I take all the blessings of everyone. I don't differentiate. I don't talk about religion. I don't talk about politics. I just work like a workaholic. My aim is to just work and professionally work and gain experience. I'm not interested in making a lot of money and no. For me is mainly Goa. Today what I am because of Goa and Goans actually who made me. 30 years ago, Goa and Goans helped me. I'm in the tourism industry, which is the bread earner for all of us stakeholders. Goa is full of tourism, so we survive on tourism. And my best way of giving back to Goa is employing only Goans. I have a policy. I employ only Goans, locals, local for vocal. Also, I promote local language. That's Konkani. I speak very well. Marathi also, which is, I speak, read, write, because I took Marathi in school actually. I love Marathi. I like especially the songs in, Marathi. Especially the Lavani songs, I love it. And I went to Bombay, I worked for 1 year, I came back. No, I want to be in Goa. Goa is my love, I just love Goa. And I get very upset when somebody says anything about Goa and Goans. I get so upset. I said, please do not degrade us. And I take it personal when people, there are people who are trying to spoil Goa's image and name. It is not that way. People have not seen Goa properly, not experienced, have not met Goans. Goans are one of the fantastic people, hospitable in the whole world. That's why you see tourists coming back again and again to Goa to experience the love. When you come to Goa, you fall in love. There is a beautiful song, you say, Dil Chahta Hai. That is beautiful. That is shot in Goa. And that movie made Goa famous as well as a lot of other movies. But this really made Goa. And I owe it to Goa and Goans for the success 30 years. First, of course, my God, my staff who worked very hard for me, my family, and of course, friends, media, everybody. So we are continuing the journey in spite of we had COVID, and then came the personal tragedy for me was the blood cancer which I had, the chronic leukemia, which came as well. So I am on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, my mother's birthday, I got a report saying it's negative. So cancer is gone. So I'm back on the track. I want to do more. I'm very excited. And I want to do more for Goa, Goan people, and maybe the people who are in need and who wants my help and encouragement. Like even for cancer patients, and I'm there to come and talk to them and say, you can beat cancer. You can beat any disease, provided your mindset, you have the positive mindset, and you need to work on that. Never give up. One thing about me is never ever give up. What may come, fight it. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. You've been the flag bearer of Goa and Goan tourism. So wish you all the best of
Thank you
health
so
as
much.
well as a lot of success for your company.
Thank you.
Good evening, friends. We are all gathered here today to celebrate freedom and also Martin. My name is Gavin, working with the government of Goa in the tourism department. I've known Martin for the last decade and a half, and I've known freedom for the last 25 odd years. I want to congratulate Martin, Joseph, and his entire team of Freedom for 30 glorious years of business. Martin has been one of the brand ambassadors of Goa, bringing in tourists not only from India but also all around the world. Having known Martin, he has got many talents. He's got a funny bone and also a sweet tooth. And Martin has been giving nothing but love and peace to a lot of our tourists. I want to congratulate Martin not only on 30 years of his company, but also on his birthday celebrations and his wonderful recovery from leukemia. And we want to congratulate everyone at Freedom, and we continue to support Martin and all his business enterprises and continue towards bringing in international tourists to Goa.
Hello, very good evening. This is a proud and happy moment for Freedom Group, and the first Goan tour company completed 30 years in the tour business. And this 30 years, because of our honorable chairman and managing director, Martin Joseph's lot of hard work and effort, we have reached this milestone. And we have offices in airport and Pato, Panjim. And we have our group company, we are serving tours at B2B business. We are promoting Goa as a destination to entire world. And we have charter operations. We are an exclusive operator for TUI, the British-based company. And I am the director taking care of the business development. And this year we have a lot of business plan. We are targeting CIS countries, countries like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, and we are meeting their respective missions, embassies in New Delhi and their foreign affairs to promote Goa. And there are many tourists from CIS countries who interest to visit Goa. So we are getting very good support from government of Goa and airport authority, DGCI. So all this because of our chairman Martin Joseph hard work and effort. And we are a pure Goan company, and our staffs all are Goans, Goenkas, and we are bringing a lot of revenue for Goa. So it will help Goa's economy. We help many people to good livelihood. So coming future, we have planning lot of development, business development activities. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.